Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. Don't mind the mess in the back because I am doing inventory and I have a lot of sneakers coming in and out. So, you know, I gotta take care of that sooner or later. Probably gonna be later, but you know, y'all just gonna have to deal with it until then. Anyways, we are back today with another shoe review, and it is one of the better shoes that released in the year of 2021. It is only women's sizing. It's one of the better shoes, man, and it's been highly anticipated for a little minute now. If you guys don't know by the title already, it's the Nike Dunk Low Coast colorway, or the UNC colorway. I don't know why they call it Coast. They should have just kept the UNC, but I guess the orange on it, you know. But we'll go into the whole colorway breakdown if anything. Unfortunately, I did not hit on the sneakers app for these. These were only released on sneaker apps and Foot Locker, but they didn't even release in store. So what I'm hearing is Foot Locker is getting late shipments and this and that and the third. There's different rumors here and there. I'll do a video on that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. This is going to be dropped tonight because I'm trying to get it out ASAP. Also, big shout outs to my man Unknwn Soles. I just connected with him like a week or 2 weeks ago, and he's a cool person, bro. Very chill individual. Big loop star in the Westchester area, Bronx area, and you know, he stays under the radar, and I mess with him like that because I try to be like that, even though I be on YouTube, but I try to stay like under the radar, not get too hectic, do my things and move on type shit. But big shout outs to him for the assist on these. He was the one that was able to hit because, you know, your boy took a L. And yeah, man, let's get into the unboxing and review. So as for the box, you guys see it is the regular orange Nike box with Nike all around. This is a women's size 8.5, which equals to a men's 8. On the on feet that I'm going to be bringing you guys, I'm going to try to squeeze into it. I'm pretty sure this is a little too small for me. I wanted these for my personal, but size 8 is a little bit too small. So if you guys know anybody with a size 8.5 or 9, please send them my way. My Instagram will be linked down below. Glenn's Instagram will also be linked down below. So now as for the size tag, it reads Women's Nike Dunk Low, and the color code is Sale/Coast University Gold. And the retail on these is $100 because they're pricing it the same as the men's sizes. Usually women's shoes get priced the same as the men's. Same thing with the silver toes that came out last weekend. With the shoe label aside, let's just get into the unboxing, man. Same old box. Let's just flip open the top and boom. Usual, same thing. White tissue paper underneath. And let's take a look, man. Woo! Yo. Let me tell you, man. This is a very, very, very clean sneaker. And let's just take it out the box. You guys could just, it's something about the university blue. Like, that baby blue really be hitting, man. And I'm kind of upset that I wasn't able to get my hands on these. These are pretty similar to the Jordan 1 Lows SB, whatever that they did that came out last year or 2 years ago. It was like a collab. That pair was nice as well, but I personally think that this pair looks better. Like, this Dunk pair looks like fire. So let's just cut to a quick little b-roll. I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth look of the details and stuff, and then we'll come back. I'll break down the colorway, the sizing, material, and everything, man. So let's hop to that. Boom, and we're back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the detailed look on these. Just the same, you know, b-roll cuts, so you guys can inspect your pair, real or fake. If you bought up somebody you don't know, you guys could, you know, come to this video as a reference. Now let's hop into the colorway breakdown. Colorway breakdown is pretty simple. This shoe follows the same color blocking as the Kentucky Dunk Lows and the Syracuse Dunk Lows. The only main difference, well, the two main differences, is that the white is not really cocaine white. It's like a sail/off-white. And the most noticeable difference is that this is in a baby blue, or they're calling it Coast Blue. To me, it's still the UNC blue that you guys see on all UNC shoes, but I guess they want to be different. So you guys know around the toe is that baby blue, the toe box and the mid panel is in that sail colorway. The tongue is also in that sail colorway, topped off by the baby blue up here. The Nike check though is in University Gold, and then another hint of the University Gold is on the back right here with the Nike stitched in on the back. And then they also added University Gold touch on the insole with the Nike in baby blue, with the baby blue laces and the University Gold tips. The midsole though is a shade, just a little shade whiter than the sail, and then the outsole is in that baby blue, and that covers the whole shoe. The material they used on these is the same material that they used throughout all dunks, all the GR dunks or general release dunks that you guys been seeing. Unlike the special collabs like these, they have different material, but these is just the regular leather that they use. And yeah, man, no extra laces, pretty simple, but you keeping it simple, it's a very clean shoe. Now, as for sizing on dunks, man, I would suggest going true to size. So get your true size. These do fit me a little small. I'm a 8.5, 9, and these are a men's 8. So these did fit me small, but I did it anyways for the on feet for you guys. And since we're talking about the on feet, I might as well give you guys a quick little on feet look, and then I'll come back and wrap things up with my resale prediction and my final opinions on this sneaker, man. So let's just cut to that. And we're back from the on feet. I hope you guys enjoyed the little look I gave you guys. I couldn't give you guys a little, like, too much because you know, they're a little too small on me and I didn't want to like mess up the sneaker, but you guys got what you got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I forgot to cover the comfort of this sneaker. The comfort on dunks is cool. It's nothing too crazy. It's light, but you know, there's no really cushioning in the midsole or the outsole, so you know, it's a pretty flat sneaker, but it is pretty light. So like I would say, same thing as Jordan 1's, probably like a 6.5 out of 10. And since a lot of you guys are into reselling, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little resale prediction on these. These are a super clean sneaker, and it is gonna be a summer like favorite, especially it's gonna be hot amongst girls and all that. You guys could just look at how UNC ones did. Like the girls like really ate those up, like the Obsidian UNC ones, they ate those up. So these are gonna be like a hot commodity, definitely like in the summer, springtime, summertime. And it's already like high in price. Like I think resale right now is around like 300-ish, and the retail on these is only 100, so it's a good shoe. Do I suggest buying them now? I will wait for all the pairs to be released because there's a lot of late shipments. So once those pairs start getting released, if you guys could get them around like the low 200 range, I would suggest getting it then, and then, you know, holding it until the summer. I personally want a pair for myself, so you know, if I want it, these shit's gonna be like hot cakes, you feel me? But there goes my resale prediction for you guys. I would suggest picking these up in the low 200s range and then selling them when they hit like 300, 400. They might even go into the 500 ranges like the Kentucky and Syracuse dunks, man. And finally, let's wrap things up with my final opinion on these. Throughout the whole video, I've been talking about how much I like these and how clean these are. And these are a very, very, very clean sneaker. Like, just look at it, man. Not much needs to be said. Like, it's definitely a summer vibe, Miami beach vibes, Cali vibes. You can even do the New York vibes, you feel me? In the summer though, in the summer. And these are definitely a hot sneaker. I do like the little University blue touch that they added just to mix it up, and it's not a UNC, because if it was UNC it would have been in white. But overall, it's a very, very clean sneaker. I definitely wanted to pick these up for the summertime. And yeah, man, that wraps up this video. Comment down below what you guys think of the shoes, how resale is, how your release day went, all that. Are you looking for your personal size? And if you are, this is a size 8. Make sure y'all hit up my boy Glenn. He's gonna be in the description down below. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out, and y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.